How to navigate international regulations for cross-border shipping. Imagine sending a package from one country to another and hitting a wall of rules and paperwork. That's what makes understanding international regulations so important for smooth shipping. When you ship goods across borders, you need to follow laws set by each country and international organizations. This can seem tricky at first, but with a clear plan, it becomes manageable. Start by learning the laws of the countries involved. Each country has rules about what can be shipped and what is restricted or controlled. For example, some items like firearms, certain chemicals, or agricultural products may need special permits or be banned altogether. These laws change often, so staying updated is key. Next, use harmonized system codes. These are numbers assigned to classify goods worldwide. They help determine tariffs and duties you will pay. If you classify your items correctly, you avoid delays at customs and prevent fines or extra charges. For example, a shipment of electronics might have a different code than clothing, affecting how much duty you pay. You also need to declare the value of your goods accurately. Customs use this to calculate duties and taxes. Underdeclaring can lead to fines, while overdeclaring might cause unnecessary delays. Be honest and precise in your paperwork. Trade agreements like the North American Free Trade Agreement or the European Union Customs Union influence tariffs and procedures. If your shipment qualifies under these agreements, you might pay lower duties or face fewer restrictions. But sanctions are also important. They restrict shipments to certain countries or entities. Always check if your destination or the goods are affected. Documentation is another big part. Prepare invoices, packing lists, certificates of origin, and licenses carefully. These documents must be correct and ready for customs inspection. Using automated export systems can help report your shipments properly and avoid mistakes. For imports, you might need customs bonds. These are financial guarantees that you will pay duties and follow regulations. They protect customs authorities and ensure your shipment clears smoothly. Safety and environmental rules also matter. Follow International Maritime Organization standards for ships and International Air Transport Association rules for air freight. If you're shipping hazardous materials, proper labeling and handling are essential. Environmental regulations, like emissions standards for ships, can also affect your shipping plans. To stay on top of all this, create a compliance calendar. Track important deadlines and updates. Work with customs brokers or trade compliance experts. They know the ins and outs of cross-border rules. Automate your data reporting and keep staff trained on new regulations. By managing these steps carefully, you can avoid delays, fines, and shipment problems. Staying organized and informed makes international shipping smoother and more reliable.